When you upgrade to macOS Big Sur, you get the most advanced desktop operating system in the world. Upgrading to macOS Big Sur is free and it's easier than you think. But before you are installing it, I would recommend to make a backup of your Mac. You always need a backup, that in case something stops working and you need to restore your system. So I think it's not a bad idea to do it before installing the big update. Honestly, I upgrade the system every year and never had a single problem, but you never know. For our convenience, Mac has a built-in backup feature which is called Time Machine. It's a complete backup solution which automatically backups your computer every time your Time Machine disk is connected. It keeps weekly backups for all previous months, daily backups of the last month, and even hourly backups for the last 24 hours. If you don't want to bother with a full backup, you can also use iCloud and iCloud Drive to store files. You will get to your iCloud by opening Finder, and on the left sidebar select iCloud Drive. And here you see my folders. You can create your new folder and store files such as photos, documents, or music. Depending on your prepaid size of iCloud Drive, you can backup any files you want there. In addition to it, documents and files that you store in iCloud Drive stay up to date across all of your devices, and you can access them from your iPhone, iPad, iPod, Mac or PC or even iCloud.com anytime you want. Of course, if you just need to store a few important documents on a safe place, connect any external hard drive, flash disk or memory card to transfer your files there, and you are done as well. Next thing you should check is what system are you currently using, and as a nice guide can even be your desktop photo, because every macOS has a dedicated wallpaper. You can find them all on the AppleOnlineAcademy.com, and I will leave you a link in the description. But the easiest way how to get the most accurate information is to go to Apple menu, select About this Mac, and here you will find all the information you need. If you are upgrading from the last year macOS, which is called Catalina, you should get notification about new software update automatically. Usually, when the new macOS is released, the small icon will appear in the Launchpad view and it will download on the background. So when you decide to upgrade, you just need to click on it and follow the on-screen instruction to begin your upgrade. You can also find the update by searching for it on App Store, or simply go to Software Update in System Preferences. On the other hand, if you are upgrading from an older version of macOS, like High Sierra, Sierra, or El Capitan, you need to upgrade to macOS Big Sur from the App Store. It will not be offered automatically. If you are running even older system than that, like Lion or Mountain Lion, you will need to upgrade to El Capitan first. So once you have the backup ready and you see the update on App Store or in System Preferences, it's time to start. If you don't have it downloaded yet, it will take some time depending on your internet speed. It usually has few gigabytes, so make sure that you have a reliable internet connection and you are plugged into AC power if using MacBook. After the downloading is finished, installation will start automatically. In the open window, click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. The Mac will restart, show a progress bar or even have a blank screen, so don't interfere with the installation, don't restart the computer or close its lid. Usually it takes around half an hour or 1 hour to finish the whole installation. But once the upgrade is finished, you don't need to do anything else. Just enjoy the newest version of macOS and learn what is new by following the course. So see you in the next video.